Let's get this last easy mover in place and get the car rolling. First thing you'll want to do is disengage your safety hood. With the arm up in the air, next thing you want to do, spread the rollers apart so that they slide up behind the tire. Okay, at this point you want to engage your arm and begin bringing the dollies closer to the tire. Once they've engaged contact with the tire, we'll step back and go ahead and pump them together. Once the tires are off the ground, it's always a good idea to take a step back and inspect the floor to make sure it's free and clear of obstructions. If the coast is cleared, you're ready to start moving. Oh, and one more thing. It's always nice to have a second set of hands when moving the car around the shop. This is James, and he's going to help me get this thing spun around. This just goes to show you how easily our tight easy movers can move a vehicle around the shop. If you're interested in ordering a set, I encourage you to give us a call at 888-908-4826 and we can get you in touch with the dealer nearest you. Or you can go to our website, titanlifts.com, and use our dealer locator to find a local dealer. Thank you for watching.